Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Agarwal. I am the owner of Sparsh the Collective. So my brand is all about kids. We deal in kids court sets, night suits, ethnic wear. For boys you'll get lot of options and for girls also we have many varieties. Sizes are from newborn 0 to 16 years, adult small size. As you can see it is court set style, same kurti and bottom with gota work done on neck part, heavy tassels. This is in silk. We have mull cotton also. You can see the back. Easy to wear, easy to wash. Sizes 1 to 10 years. This is frock style kurti with mull cotton pants. Easy for kids to wear. They can carry it in school, daily wear functions, festivals. So this many more color combinations you will get in this. I am just showing you the sample. Very cute collar frocks for kids in animal prints, in Disney prints, like this is a Minnie Mouse frock. Back we have belt to tie. Sizes you will get from newborn to 10 years. Another style we have is sleeveless frock with frills on neck. It has a sling bag with it. Many more colors and prints you will get, sizes 1 to 10 years. So these are all soft mull cotton. Then you can check something like this in sleeveless. So it comes with the inner lining. Front button open, very trendy and beautiful color combinations we have in this. Next we have, this is my very pretty dhoti style kurti with chiffon dupatta, available in 4 shades. Color shades you'll get, like this is yellow with pink, red with orange, pink with white. We've made many combination. You can check my page. It is Sparsh the Collective on Instagram. This is very pretty angrakha pattern, sharara kurti with bell sleeves. As you can see, very gorgeous piece. We have many more colors and prints in same pattern. You'll find this for 1 to 10 years. Whatever we are showing you are just the samples. So the collection is huge. Lehenga with crop top and dupatta. Whatever I am showing is available in multiple colors. So this is the back. Very stylish. Back buttons we have made with knots to tie. All in soft mull cotton Rogan fabric. This is mull cotton sharara kurti. Sizes you will get from 1 to 10 years. Adult sizes also we make, like for 12, 14, 16 years. This is our best seller in town. We are known for this in Hyderabad. This is anarkali with pants in mull cotton. So you can see it's long frock, as people say, with soft cotton pants. This is a crop top with lehenga. Colors you'll get 3. This season we have introduced this with dupatta and heavy tassels. Gota detailing is there, as you can see, with heavy neckline. Backs you will get zip closure is there. Soft cotton, very soft mull cotton frocks. Open buttons are there. Buttons you can open and close with collar neck and back belt. So you can fix the waist for babies. Sizes from 6 months to 10 years. 20 to 32 sizes we make in this. So you can check our collection. What I am holding is a 2.5 year size. So this is in soft silk, muslin silk, sharara kurti with gota detailing. Party wear collection for babies. This is our latest new launch for festivals. Tej and Rakhi is upcoming. So color shades you will get in this. This is again a muslin silk attire with heavy gota details. Sharara kurti court set style. Kurti with pants in pure cotton fabric. Like for kids dance classes, Kathak, Bharatnatyam, all classical dances, they can easily wear it. Easy to wash and wear. So many more color shades you will get in same pattern. This is Angrakha kurti with pants in Kota Doria dupatta. You can see the dupatta, very pretty fabric, very soft. So in this you'll get sizes from 3 to 14 years in 3-4 color shades. You can see how I'm putting it. बहुत प्यारा लगता है. रोगन फैब्रिक है, मल कॉटन. This is our exclusive collection. This is heavy tassels, party wear collection. Sharara kurti, corset style. You can see the sharara, like the baby, once she wears, it will look like a lehenga. So it's very broad sharara. You can see. We can adjust the waist also according to the baby waist. It's in muslin silk. Cotton collection also available in same pattern, different colors and prints. These are all party wear collection. We also have casuals for kids, soft cotton hosieries in frocks, in cord sets, shorts with t-shirts, pajama sets. Many more varieties are there. For that you need to come and have a look. Thank you. This is Pooja from Sparsh the Collective.